So having a understanding of words. What do words mean? Like cutting the jargon out so that no one can misunderstand you. And a good example of this that creates so much confusion because you think about communication as the point, like how to end, how does somebody know what to do or whatever it is. Deadlines are a great example of how jargon can get in our way. So end of day. End of day to someone my age means 5 o'clock because that's how we grew up. That's how we came into the workplace. 9 to 5 was a concept. 9 to 5 is not a concept for millennials and Gen Z. And deadlines, if you say end of day to a recent graduate from college for the last 15 years, that means to them 11:59 p.m. because that was the deadline in
And is that
college and high
Eastern? Is
school.
that Pacific? Right?
Exactly. Right. So if I say, hey, give it to me at the end of the day, I mean 5 p.m. in the central time zone because that's where I am. So I have set an expectation. I'm expecting one thing. They might say, I'm on the West, I'm in Hawaii because we have someone in Hawaii right now. End of day is 11:59 my time. That is 7 hours. 6 hours behind me. I'm expecting something at 5 o'clock. They're going to give it to me at 1 a.m. I'm not going to be online. So finding those words that mean something different to different whoever's talking and getting rid of them so that there's no miscommunication on this. Don't give a direction that you can be right and wrong at the same time. So like for us at Double Forte, no end of we don't talk about end of day. We don't talk about later. We don't talk about tomorrow. We talk about 5 o'clock p.m. Central Time on June 4th, 2026 by email with a Word doc. So there's no misunderstanding what time, what format, where to go, what channel you're using.